What's going on to check out a brand new YouTube video for you guys. And as you guys from YouTube title, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Popple PhoneCard. This is one of Popple's brand new products, so we're going to go ahead and take it right out the packaging here. If you guys are unsure of what Popple is and this is your first time watching a Popple video, or if you guys are just looking more into Popple, Popple is a new way to network and a digital business card. So you don't need a paper business card anymore. Those are things of the past. Get yourself a Popple and literally you will not be disappointed. You can share so much with this little item right here. So let's get right into it and get this product all set up. Let's go ahead and open up the packaging here. They have a nice little tab you could pull. You open that up. You pull out the thing right here, bam, just like that. And then here we have the actual Popple phone card itself. So this actually sticks to the back of your device. So if you go ahead and take this off right there, okay, cool. So here we have the actual app itself. Once you go ahead and download the Popple app, you'll be taken to a personal page like this. Now this page does come default with every Popple device you get, but if you would like to expand your networking and expand your Popple experience overall, you can purchase the Popple Pro membership. Now with this, you get access to everything that Popple offers. So if you go to the business page, we can go here to edit profile, add links, and look at all the stuff you can add: number, email, Instagram, website, LinkedIn, contact card, all this contact info, social media, business stuff, all these things. Now, if it does have the little pro icon right there, it does mean that it is pro exclusive. So if you would like to unlock those and share those things, then you would have to purchase the Popple Pro membership. But you do not need a Popple Pro membership to use Popple. You can just get the default personal. So let's go ahead and set up the actual device that we are opening up in this video. So here we have the device itself, nice and sturdy, doesn't bend too easily. It says activate before sticking, so let's go ahead and activate it. We go here to the bottom 3 lines where it says settings. We go here to the activate a Popple device. We look for the Popple device that we are activating. Here we have the phone card in this case. We're going to click the phone card. Okay, we're going to begin deactivation. Ready to scan. So now we're going to take the device itself. We're going to tap it to the back of the top of the iPhone, and just like that, we have successfully activated the phone card. Cool. So with iPhones, the NFC reader is towards the top of the actual iPhone. With Androids, it is towards the middle, around this area with Androids. So just keep that in mind when you are sharing your device with somebody else. So now this product is connected with my phone. So if I go here and flip this over just like this, cool, we're going to place this like right there on the bottom of my phone. All right, so let's take off the protective backing here nice and carefully. Okay, all right, and then we're just gonna stick it to the back of the phone case as good as we can here, a little bit lower than the MagSafe, just so I can charge my phone wirelessly, and also so I could put the Popple MagSafe right there. So bam, just like that, we're gonna stick it down, nice firm pressure across the whole device here. So now it's not coming off, and you won't have to worry about it falling off or anything like that. Now you can take it off if you absolutely do want to, but just know that in just regular day-to-day use, it won't fall off, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it also doesn't take up too much space. You guys can see it's fairly thin, so you don't have to worry about it taking up too much space, being too bulky or anything like that in your pocket. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So we're gonna take a iPhone right here. Here we have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, literally the exact same phone. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, tap it to the back of the top of the iPhone here. So go ahead and tap it to the top, just like that, literally in seconds. That was real time. You guys saw just how quick it opened up. So now from here, the person that you tapped your device with can go ahead and look through your profile. All right, cool. They can see all this. Say they're interested in going to your YouTube. All they have to do is just tap it. It literally takes them straight to your YouTube or whatever other thing you decided to share on your app. So if they would like to go to the Instagram, for example, they can just click on that, take them straight to your Instagram. Now this all depends on what you customize your own Popple app to share. So with mine, that's what I customized mine to do. Now if you guys would like to purchase a Popple for yourself, make sure to use my code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get 20% off your whole entire order. Yes, your whole entire order. Click on the first link down in the description below and get your Popple today. Literally, you will not be disappointed. Now if you'd like, this page will also pop up on their device. So for example, they can share their email, their name, their phone number, and more. If you go ahead and click more, they can share their job title, company, and notes on this interaction. They could go ahead and connect, and that will pop up on your device. You can share information in literally seconds. There's no more need for a paper business card. There's no more need to be reading out the words and then misspell it for some reason or anything like that. No. With Popple, you can share so much more than you can share with a regular paper business card. And not only does it work with iPhone, but it also works with Android. Bam, Android's all opened up. Remember, like I said, the Androids are towards the middle back of the phone. Towards the middle back, opens up literally instantly. Look at that. The same exact page in literally seconds. so fast. You're never gonna be able to share as much information on a paper business card than you can with a Popple. You can share so much more with a Popple than you can with a paper business card. Do not miss out. These things are really inexpensive, and with the 20% off code that I provided for you guys can get even more money off, and who doesn't like to save money? So go ahead and click the link down in the description below. Use my code Julio Mendoza. Pick yourself up one of these, and you will not be disappointed. Trust me. And not only that, but you also get a custom QR code when it comes to getting a Popple device. You get your own QR code, you get leads, and you get insights. So you can see how many people are tapping your devices, how many times they're tapping on your social medias and things you've been sharing. So let's go ahead and test the QR code that's on the back of the actual Popple device here. So we're gonna go ahead to the iPhone, we're gonna go ahead to the camera. Bam, okay. Open up the camera, scan it just like that, and it opens up just as fast. Literally just as fast. Let's go ahead and do it again. All right, scan the QR code, bam, literally just as fast. Try the NFC, just as fast. Look at that. Literally in a matter of seconds. You will not be able to share as much information with a paper business card than you can with a Popple. Popple is a thing of the future. You guys will not be disappointed. If you want to network faster, you want to get your name known, you want to leave a good impression on the person that you're sharing information with, get a Popple. Trust me, you guys will not be disappointed. Now, not only do they sell these products right here, they also sell wristbands, they sell Popples, circles that just go right here, Popples that fit under your case. So there's literally nothing right here, is right under your case. They sell Popple MagSafe that stick to the back of your Popple MagSafe right here to the magnet. And you can even put your QR code on your homepage right there. So there's literally so many features that come with owning a Popple that literally cannot even compare with a paper business card. Popple's definitely taking over the networking game. They're taking over the business cards. Make sure to pick one up for yourself, try it out, see how fast you can network, and you guys will not be disappointed. So yeah, that's basically going to conclude this video. I'll show you guys just how quick it can share the NFC with an Android and with an iPhone. I'll show you guys the QR code that actually works with this and the QR code that comes in the app itself. Say they want to scan this, all you got to do is just scan it literally the same way, and it opens up to the same page. And then also, if you don't want to share business, all you got to do is just click the personal and then watch. It opens up the personal, scan the NFC on the back, tap it, and it opens up your personal page. Just like that. Now if we go to business, scan it, open it up, and it opens up the business page. Look how fast that was. Literally super quick. Not only that, but if you would like to only just share one thing, for example, you just want to share your YouTube, all you got to do is toggle the direct on, right? Scroll down to what you would like to make direct, the YouTube. Okay, so now the YouTube is direct. The YouTube is at the top, the YouTube is highlighted. So we're gonna go ahead and tap it to the back of a device here, open up the notification, and it takes them straight to the YouTube. Same thing with this Android here. Tap it to the back, opens up straight to the YouTube. And that's only if you would like to just share one thing. Now if you just like to share your whole entire page, just toggle that off right there, and then you'll be sharing your whole entire page literally in a matter of seconds. Scan that again, click it again, look at that. Opens right to your page. Super quick, super efficient. It is literally unbeatable. If you guys are entrepreneurs, you guys just like to get your name out there, starting a new business, Popple will definitely help you get your name out there, get more clients, get known, and definitely leave a big impression on your potential clients. So yeah, that's basically going to conclude this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.